Infatuation and love are complex emotions that people often confuse due to their similar intense feelings. However, understanding the differences between infatuation and love is crucial for forming healthy and long-lasting relationships. They intertwine so effortlessly, yet distinguishing between them is no easy task. Infatuation may ignite like wildfire, a fleeting flame fueled by desire, but does it possess the enduring warmth found in love's gentle embrace? In this essay, we will explore the key characteristics that can help us distinguish between these two emotional states. How to tell the difference. Intensity and duration. Infatuation is characterized by its intense and passionate nature, often leading to a whirlwind of emotions. People who experience infatuation might feel like they are on an emotional roller coaster, with emotions fluctuating rapidly. The initial stages of infatuation can be overwhelming, making it difficult to focus on anything else. The overwhelming rush, the inability to stop thinking about someone, and the butterflies in your stomach all contribute to this spellbinding intensity. But what happens when time goes by? Do those passionate flames slowly fade away, or do they continue burning as fiercely? That's where duration comes into play. True love endures through thick and thin. It is not just a passing wave of affection but an unwavering flame that withstands the test of time. Idealization versus acceptance. In the infatuation stage, people tend to idealize the person they are infatuated with. They see only the positive aspects of the other person while ignoring their flaws or negative traits. This idealization can lead to an unrealistic perception of the relationship, as it is built on an incomplete and somewhat distorted view of the other person. In contrast, love involves genuine acceptance. When you truly love someone, you recognize and appreciate both their strengths and weaknesses. Instead of putting them on a pedestal, you see them as a whole person with a unique set of qualities and imperfections. This acceptance fosters a deeper and more authentic connection between partners. Through acceptance, you learn to cherish those bits of vulnerability that make our partners authentically themselves. Their quirks become endearing melodies amidst life's symphony. Which is more potent? The allure of an idealized love free from flaws? Or the genuine connection found when accepting another for who they truly are? Self-centered versus selfless. Infatuation often revolves around the self. People who are infatuated may focus on how the other person makes them feel or what they can do to fulfill their own desires and needs. This self-centered perspective can be limiting and prevent the development of a genuine emotional bond. We may prioritize our happiness above all else, often disregarding the needs or emotions of our partner. On the contrary, love is selfless in nature. When you truly love someone, you prioritize their well-being and happiness above your own. Love is about caring for the other person and being willing to make sacrifices for their sake. This selflessness strengthens the bond between partners and fosters a sense of emotional security in the relationship. Perhaps finding a balance between both extremes could hold the key. Attachment versus commitment. Infatuation can lead to strong feelings of attachment and even obsession with the other person. Infatuated individuals might feel deeply connected to the person they are infatuated with, but it may not necessarily mean they are committed to building a future together. On the other hand, commitment represents a deep sense of responsibility and dedication towards another person. It goes beyond mere emotions. It is built upon shared values, trust, and a mutual understanding that withstands time's trials. Commitment fosters growth and compromise within relationships as both individuals strive towards long-term goals together. To truly grasp the essence of attachment versus commitment requires introspection into our own desires and intentions. Are we seeking fleeting moments or lasting connections? Can we embrace vulnerability while still respecting boundaries? Physical attraction versus emotional connection. Infatuation is often heavily influenced by physical attraction. People who are infatuated might be drawn to someone's looks, charm, or other superficial qualities. While physical attraction is a natural and important aspect of romantic relationships, infatuation focuses primarily on the physical aspect, sometimes overshadowing emotional compatibility. In contrast, love encompasses a deeper emotional connection. While physical attraction might be the initial spark that brings two people together, love goes beyond appearances. Understanding the differences between infatuation and love can lead to healthier relationships and more informed decisions about your emotional connections. By giving relationships time to develop, building emotional intimacy, and communicating openly, individuals can navigate the transition from infatuation to love, ultimately fostering deep and meaningful connections with their partners. That's the end of today's video. Hope you are enjoying our video. Do not forget to like and subscribe.